Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking through a vocal warm-up checklist. That's a checklist of the different areas of the voice that you should be warming up before you start to sing in order to get your voice into the best place possible, the most optimum place possible for singing. So let's talk about it. So number one on the checklist is physical warm-ups. So you want to make sure that you're getting your body as relaxed as possible for singing. Any tension in the shoulders, in the neck, or in the back area is going to have an effect on the voice. So you just want to loosen up those muscles before you even begin to vocalize. So that's why the physical is super important. So that's going to be stretching out your neck muscles. You're going to be rolling your shoulders just to really loosen up, even massaging your neck, massaging your jaw, anywhere basically that you feel tension, just loosen that up. You can even include some tongue stretching in this as well. You know, really stretching out the tongue. If you want to find out a bit more about stretching out the tongue, then check out my previous videos on tongue tension. But those are the kind of things that you want to be doing. Just relax and loosen up before you begin to vocalize. It's that simple. So number two on the checklist is your semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. Now, these exercises are all about allowing your voice to gradually flex and stretch as you warm it up, and these are the ones that are going to allow your voice to do it with the most amount of ease. So these types of exercises would be your straw or your vocal tube, your lip trills, your voiced fricatives, and just gentle humming. Those will allow your voice to warm up with the most amount of ease. On the checklist is the chest voice. Now, chest voice is the building block for power in the voice. What we want to do is make sure that you are vocalizing comfortably within all of your chest voice notes. We want to make sure that you're getting some clean, efficient vocal cord closure within chest voice. Now, exercises such as these are going to be good for warming up chest voice. Ba 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 ba. Now, when you're working chest voice, you want to make sure that you're staying within chest voice territory. Make sure that you don't go any higher than chest voice because you don't want to begin to mix. We just want to isolate and really work it and warm it up. So number four on the checklist is head voice. We want to make sure that you're warming up the upper area of your voice, that all of your notes are comfortable within head voice territory, that you're getting some good, clean, efficient vocal cord closure in head voice. And exercises such as these are going to be good for warming up head voice. So when it comes to warming up chest voice and head voice, if you find that your chest voice is more dominant, then maybe you'll just want to spend a bit of extra time warming up your head voice just to help balance out the voice. And then even if your head voice is a little bit more dominant, you'll want to spend a bit more time on chest voice in order to balance out the voice, you know. So that will lead us to the last one on our checklist, which is number 5, which is a mixed voice. Now, with mixed voice, you get the power of chest voice and then you get the sweetness of head voice, and combine the two and you get this beautiful mix, you know. So it makes sense to make sure that you're really warming up chest voice and head voice. You can do them either way around, whichever works for you, but making sure that you're just good with those areas of the voice before you begin to warm up your mix is just going to really help get your voice into the most optimum place. So, mixed voice, these exercises are going to be good for warming up mixed voice. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Wow, 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 wow. Bop, 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 bop. So that was just a basic vocal warm-up checklist, just to make sure that all the foundational areas of your voice are ticked off and ready to go for when you're singing. A vocal warm-up should be tailored to meet your specific vocal needs. There may be times when you need to spend a bit more time on different areas of your voice, you know, in order to get it into the most optimum place. It's all about finding the right exercises that work for you. You've got to explore, you've got to experiment, and that's why it's super important to become a self-diagnostic singer so that you know how to troubleshoot your own vocal issues on any given day. That is it from me. Explore, experiment to find out what works for your voice, and I will see you soon. Peace out. Mwah.